here is how we can enable the microphone on your Android. So let's get into it. So you can go ahead and open up your settings app, and the microphone and especially enabling it can be found when you head over to the security and privacy section, where you get to manage exactly which apps and which permissions are linked to each app. So you can see the permissions history, so I can see in the past 24 hours which apps have accessed which features. But when you go to the permissions manager, this is going to give you the access to tap on the microphone and decide which app specifically can and cannot access it. So when I tap on some apps, I have a few options, usually allow while using the app, then ask every single time, or not allow at all. And if you want to enable the microphone for some specific service, you want to make sure that you tap on that service or app and click on use it or ask every time, and you will then have the ability to enable it and allow it. So as I say, it takes a bit of your time to set it up, but then you can be sure that only the services you have manually decided can access your microphone. And even if you didn't decide it, or even if you don't really know anything about it, then in the top right you always have the microphone indicator whenever it's being used, so you always know if some app is actually currently accessing it. So if I turn on the voice memos or voice recordings, you can see the mic icon in the top, and I can tap on it and I can see exactly that it's been used by this voice recorder app. So that is something which you're going to do. Definitely let me know in the comments below if you manage to enable and allow microphone access. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.